Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we got an exciting, revolutionary tool that should be in every single house, especially if you use tools. Right away, this is it. Look at that. So how this works is even screws. You have square screw, regular screw. You would push it in, and then as it turns, it grips and it spins whatever you need to. Now you can use this with a power tool, or if you have a hand tool you could do it as well. Power tool will be the quickest. So this goes from 7 mm the whole way to 19 mm. Alright, let's show you guys how it works. So let's say you got to screw a bolt in, you need to get that out. What you would do, you would center it, apply pressure, and look at that, just like that, and it comes out. Center it, apply pressure, right back in. Alright, got another size that you need to work on? No big deal. You don't have to swap between different ones. Over here, we have a smaller size. Center it up, apply pressure. There you go. Back in. Just like that. No matter what project you're doing, this will work. Just like that. Back in. Very simple. So please keep in mind this works for other things besides screws, like this. Apply pressure, and then we pull it out. So it's sideways because it just was loose, so hang in there. Go ahead, we can turn it in a little bit. Now we go ahead and we take our drill here, apply pressure, and there we go. So my final rating on this is a 10 out of 10. And I say that because it has so many uses. It's a must for all toolboxes. It really is. I mean, stop fiddling around for your different sizes. This goes from 7 to 19 mm. You don't have to have all those different lugs. So for me, it gets a 10 out of 10, which is a 5-star rating.